What is up? This is your LA in a minute, and I'm here in West Hollywood at Irv's Burgers, one of the most legendary hamburger spots in a city known for burgers. Going back almost 80 years to its days as a roadside beacon along Route 66, Irv's is a reminder that even as LA changes and evolves, some places are so embedded in the culture and the fabric of the city that they can never be replaced. Let's get into it. So Irv's Burgers began its journey in 1946 right here on the northeast corner of Santa Monica Boulevard and Sweetser Avenue, right along what was the iconic Route 66. And it was at this very stand where Irv's became a roadside beacon for travelers and locals, famous for a playful sign proclaiming, "No lobster, just burgers." This very humble shack, constructed from surplus wartime aluminum, was one of the first roadside burger stands in all of Los Angeles. In its early years, the stand changed hands and changed names numerous times. At one point known as Joe's Burgers, another time Queenie's Burgers, before Irv Gendis purchased the building in 1970 and gave it the name Irv's Burgers. Again, this was Route 66, the most famous road in all the land that made Irv's a staple for motorists and a symbol of the city's car culture, while its unpretentious charm and great burgers drew a loyal following, including Jim Morrison, Janis Joplin, and The Clash. A pivotal chapter for Irv's began in 2000 when the Hong family, led by Sonia Hong, her mother Mama Soon, and her brother Sean, acquired Irv's. Korean-American immigrants, the Hongs invested their life savings and poured their hearts into the business, transforming Irv's into a beloved community institution. Sonia Hong became famous for her warmth, greeting customers by name, singing songs, and serving burgers on paper plates adorned with personalized doodles and the phrase, "just for you." This personal touch elevated Irv's from a mere burger stand to a symbol of hospitality and inclusivity. Despite these efforts, the family was eventually forced to relocate in 2013 due to financial pressures and landlord disputes. The community rallied once again, raising funds to help the Hongs reopen Irv's just down the street in 2014. That said, the Hong family faced significant challenges, including threats of eviction, rising rents, and pressure from developers eager to replace the stand with new businesses. That's when the Burger Brigade stepped in. In 2005, after a year-long campaign by supporters known as the Burger Brigade, West Hollywood designated Irv's Burgers a cultural resource, recognizing its historic and cultural significance and temporarily safeguarding it from demolition. After a brief closure in 2018, Irv's Burgers was revived in 2022 under the stewardship of Lawrence Longo, a restaurateur and longtime fan of the hamburger stand. Longo is known for his work with Prince Street Pizza, Bar Next Door, and his passion for preserving culinary landmarks. He brought new energy and resources to Irv's while honoring its legacy. He worked closely with Sonia Hong, ensuring her signature doodles and "just for you" ethos remained central to the Irv's experience, even as the menu and branding received a modern refresh. The new Irv's is just minutes away from the original site, featuring a walk-up window true to the original, indoor seating, as well as some outdoor tables, maintaining the approachable, community-driven feel that has always defined Irv's Burgers. So look, Irv's Burgers wouldn't be a legendary institution if the burgers weren't legendary. Something between a smash burger and a classic burger, Irv's has the tomato, the lettuce, the cheese, and Irv's sauce, which makes it one of the best burgers in all Los Angeles. And I'd be remiss if I didn't mention the Irv's Burgers Patty Melt. Patty Melt is one of my favorite sandwiches, and it was born in LA right around the same time Irv's was. And this is an excellent Patty Melt. By the way, worth noting, still the paper plates and the doodles on the placemat. Looking inside Irv's Burgers, you're gonna find all kinds of memorabilia. The old Irv's with Van Halen, Irv's, Wayne's World, and check this out, right here, if you didn't know, the Living in the USA album cover by Linda Ronstadt, featuring, you guessed it, Irv's Burgers. Wow. Irv's Burgers is more than a restaurant. It's a cultural touchstone that encapsulates the spirit of LA, showcasing our history of innovation, diversity, and resilience. Simply put, Irv's Burgers has served as a gathering place for generations of people in LA and beyond for nearly 8 decades, all for the simple joy of enjoying a burger just for you. All right, LA, it's been a minute.